Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and I am having a great day because Amazon restored my reviews and ranking. And I knew I didn't do anything wrong, so I was really puzzled why it happened to begin with. So wanted to share with you, if you have had your reviews and ranking removed and have followed their policies, then I would definitely take steps to reach out to them so they can review your account, because there is a possibility that their system thought that you had violated their policies and they need to go in there and manually adjust it and fix your current account. So what I did was, I had read online that Jeff Bezos has an email address, jeff@amazon.com, so I wrote there. I called customer service, and there's a contact me form, and I explained my situation. So I just figured, okay, it's gone, maybe I'll hear back. My ranking was 862. It dropped all the way to over 16 million. I couldn't do anything anymore with Amazon and reviews. So a couple of weeks went by, and then I got an email telling me they apologize, my account's been restored. So I was like, yes, my reviews are back, but my ranking was still showing over 16 million. So I wrote them back and I said, thank you very much. And I replied to that email and I said, thank you so much for restoring my account. Really appreciate it, but my ranking is still over 16 million. Can you please readjust that? So I kept checking every day, and then about a week later, I went back in and there it was. My ranking was put back at about what it was. So I think it's currently 862. So if you have followed the guidelines that Amazon has in place, but your account has been affected, follow those steps. Contact customer service, write to them, try that jeff@amazon.com, see if that works. I heard it used to work, but then maybe it doesn't. But with all those efforts, then you should be able to get your account restored. If you don't, then they may just see that you had violated some policy. But I would continue to follow up, even if they had said no, and say, look, I did not violate your policies. I followed the guidelines, and I ask that you manually review my account and please have everything readjusted back. So I wish you the best. I hope you get your account restored, and I want to thank Amazon for restoring my account and doing the right thing. Following the policies is worth it. Amazon is going to be around for a long time, and I want to continue sharing my reviews and giving an honest experience, so when other people are looking for a product, then they can trust my review is a good, honest review. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care.